Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm out today, got another video for you. I have my recently acquired Hatfield SAS 20 gauge semi-automatic, and I am going to shoot it again. I have done this for you before in an earlier video. I had problems with this gun actually working correctly. It would jam up. And so what I've done is I've taken it apart. I have thoroughly cleaned it again, but this time I took my Dremel tool and polishing material and I polished every part inside that moved, that could have friction, that moved against one another, and put it back together, lubricated it again. Let's see if it will work without jamming. Today I'm using Federal Top Gun 20 gauge 2 3/4 inch 1210 foot per second with 2.5 drams equivalent of powder, and they're 7/8 ounce number 8 shot. So we'll see if they will work. There's one Winchester old AA in there, and we'll shoot it first, but then we'll put the rest in here and we'll see how it works. Already having trouble. There we go. It's probably just, I'll tell you, it's just new, and there's a lot that it needs to do. Sorry, I'm out here at Dogwood Trace and the woods, edge of the woods, and so I don't have any place to put things. There, hold that back open. Do that. Carefully insert them. You have to push them really far up in there. There we go. All right, we're ready. Gun's on safe. I'm going to turn around, shoot it down this direction so that you can see. Well, obviously she worked. So let's try 3 more and let's see if that works. And hopefully, if it does, then we were able to get all of that out. Here we go. Well, apparently, that's what it needed. It needed taken apart, and I needed to polish all those parts in there, and maybe there was just a little something hanging up, but she's working great now. Kimber is behind this Hatfield brand, from what I understand, and they make a good quality weapon. However, I'm guessing that their quality control excuse me, their manufacturing process or whatever just isn't 100% up to par, and they have a little rough edges here or there or whatever. But for just a little over $200, this is going to work out to be a great gun for me. A super squirrel gun and maybe a turkey gun. If you're like me, I had 3 discs herniated in my neck, and I had those fused together a few years ago, and I just can't shoot the 10 gauges and the 12 gauge 3-inch magnums any longer. I've got to shoot something like a 410 or a 20, and so I'm really excited about using this gun. Leave a comment below if you have something to say about your Hatfield SAS. Hopefully this will help taking it apart and polishing all those parts in there with like a Dremel or something like that. Really helped mine, so hopefully this information will help you. God bless you. Have a great day.